I'm Coots, and that guy there going to get lunch is Mark. Welcome aboard to Money Pit Boating. We got a couple issues that we want to take care of today. The first and the main issue, we chipped the edge of that blade of the propeller off. We're not even sure how we broke that, but we did, so now it's time to fix it up. After we get the motor up and running again, we've got another issue to deal with. This dead tree and this dead tree. They're both dead trees that are being held up by a living tree. We're worried that too strong of a windstorm is gonna come by and knock that thing down and take out our ship. We know there's probably better ways to take them down, but we decided the most entertaining and fun way would be to tie a line off to them and then tow them down with a boat. Our propeller broke and then we just let it sit so long that we got algae growing on our motor. Here's the new one. Ooh. Let's do a little bit of prep work while Mark stuffs his face. First thing that we're gonna wanna do is disconnect the steering cable. Remove this wing nut, loosen that end, and then pull the cable free. Last time I did this, I dropped the wing nut into the river. We are currently using a replacement from Mark's old drum set. Safe. Maybe not the best spot for this. Much better. Now that that's disconnected, we've got to loosen this portion up. I'm just going to loosen the actual mount first. Oh, gosh, that's really on there. Well, I think you get the picture of what this looks like. There he is.
I ate a salad.
Oh my goodness.
Miserable. Coots had a red hot burrito. I had a salad.
Red hot beef.
Making progress?
I didn't grab tools for this yet.
Ah, yes. Ah!
Well,
look at that spider down there watching us.
Where?
On the pontoon.
Oh.
Yeah, like he's in jumping position. All right, Coots, I'm gonna leave. You go get tools. When I come back, that thing better be gone.
My man don't like spiders. What method should I use? Think the old tried and true. He's in a bad spot. Oh! I don't know if the camera caught that. It just scampered away down under here somewhere. It's still aboard. Mark's not gonna like that. We're gonna have to tell Mark a little bit of a fib on that one. All right, he's back. He's got tools.
Is the spider gone?
Yeah, don't worry. I used the old slipper method to bop him away.
Okay, so I can trust you, right?
Closing up shop for the day. Forgot one last thing.
Oh boy, this is where Coots turns the camera and gets my reaction. What?
I never scared that spider away. In the beginning, it was under the pontoon the whole time.
Do that. One of those. Man, just knowing that thing is lurking around somewhere. Every time we see them, they're getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Or, you know, there's like 700 friends of them.
Right. He did that. I got these as loose as they can be. Should be good to go.
Look at the strength. I can't do it.
Almost bopped himself.
Coots, what happened there? Well, you gotta stick your hand down in the glory hole.
This could be from anyone.
Now you gotta drink it.
Our sapling is still going strong.
Oh. Okay, is this the point when I have to hork this thing up on deck?
Hold on. We're more or less loose, but the power cable is still connected. The last time we removed this piece of the decking and disconnected the whole thing.
Because we wanted to move this.
Because we brought it inside. Oh! But today we're gonna try and do it the fast and easy way.
Wait, that's weird. Like, yeah. I'm risking my life.
Hey, I'm the cameraman.
Gotta double check Coots' work here. Verify.
Trust but verify.
Yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna pick this thing up and turn, hopefully.
Maybe I should just mount the camera so I can grab half of it.
That wouldn't make good content.
Okay.
This is heavy. How did we do this last time?
Woo! I think you used your big boy muscles. Get loose, get loose.
I feel like I'm just gonna lift it up and then just go right in the drink with it.
We can only hope.
spider's crawling off.
Man, don't like spiders.
Did we slide it off?
Are you sure about this?
No. I got a good idea. Clamp this camera somewhere and then come help me.
Is that the whole idea?
Yeah, it was your idea. This thing is like 80 pounds.
He means 280.
Did we have it pointed down last time? So the weight was more that way? Yeah. Now the weight should be more close. Yeah, let me see if I can do it. Oh, this seems much easier. I'm gonna try and shimmy it off. Let's cut out that thing. There we go. Oh, 280 pounds.
While he's off to get the next set of tools, I'm gonna try to make this less gross. What are you looking for?
It's like all the wrenches that we need.
It's just like a Allen wrench, ain't it?
But then there's like the, whatchamacallit, socket thing too. I could have swore we kept everything in the bag and we're like, yeah, don't mess this up because this is all the stuff that fits.
Yeah, weird. We're normally so organized.
Well, this is the thingy.
There's the wrench. I'm gonna see if one of these works.
Yeah.
Let's try these puppies. It's too big. That might be it. Too small. This one's too big. Yeah. I don't think any of these are gonna be the right size.
How is there not the right size in all of them? I got another thing downstairs. I'll go grab that.
This is how we get our cardio. While he's checking on that, I can check. Deco, designated for extraordinary kindness only. I just realized it's an acronym. Oh, it's an acronym! Anyway, while Mark's in the garage, let me check this. Oh, he's back. Dude, it's good. We've always made little jokes that this is designated for extraordinary kindness. I didn't realize it was an acronym.
You didn't know that?
Get out of here.
I heard you screaming like, it's an acronym.
I knew something was up when you caught on to something. Well, you got a deco inside? I started him out. What's that thing called?
This is an Allen wrench. Oh, the anode?
Anode.
We gotta get this thing off. Yeah, I think you did that last time. I'll film you.
Got it.
This makes everything look so easy. Now you film me, we'll keep going back and forth.
Tag.
Yeah.
Boom.
This just turns it.
How did we deal with that before?
You need something to jam in between like here and here. Oh, or just really, really strong. I'm not really strong. Just got lucky.
The last time this part was a pain because everything was bent.
Yeah. All right, so.
Tag.
Boom. Now Coots has to get it off. We need to invest in a prop puller.
Or maybe there's a prop puller company that wants to invest in us.
Remember the last time we had
multiple different ways.
Jam stuff in there?
Last time we used a bunch of unorthodox tools.
Yes.
I think we had a couple comments explaining why they were all bad ideas. We decided to totally disregard any warnings and gathered up some of our unorthodox tools. I can't stress enough that this is not exactly a how-to channel. It's a two idiots getting stuff done channel. Here's the other idiot.
Welcome back to the channel where we know what we're doing. Move.
That washer popped out finally.
All right. So step one, you want to get your washer. Now I want to hit it on this side. Oh, we got that other. Yeah. No, of course it's too thick. This is where you go. That's what she said. That's what she said. Yeah.
There it is. Oh, cotter pin's on there a little bit tight. That was a big issue last time.
Got our new prop. We ordered it from Tiny Boat Nation. Not a sponsored video. And they messed up the order. But they were super cool about it. And they're gonna send our other one. We bought two. because we
know ourselves.
should we swap any of this stuff out?
Well,
We can't get that other one out.
I think that cotter pin is warped in here.
Again?
Right.
Oh no. I think it's called a shear pin. Someone in our comments dogged us out. So thank you for teaching us.
So we're gonna continue saying it wrong. Oh,
What?
we can finally get that tangled string off.
Oh, I totally forgot about that.
It's like a pound.
This thing's awesome because even though this was on there, it still worked like a champ.
Yeah.
You couldn't really tell anything was messed up.
Ooh, that side's bad.
Oh yeah, yeah. That thing's like a yin yang symbol.
A lightning bolt.
Yeah. Oh Jesus. What did we do last time?
I think you cut it. You like cut it right there. So we could just...
Yeah, that sounds familiar. I don't think whacking is a good idea.
No.
Always wear your safety glasses.
Ooh, big boy tools.
Skybrader.
Getting that out of the way.
Yeah. Who am I?
Alright, we cleared enough string to make easy access. Now we're gonna cut that part off and pull this part off.
There you go.
Uh-oh.
Come on. Try again.
Oh, I thought you got it.
No. I think we just need like a little tiny drill bit, metal punch of some type.
Nothing.
Oh, this thing is chipping away at it. Let's try the third thing. I'm afraid we're bending this thing on the shaft.
Right.
Do I try and like chisel it away like this?
I think so.
We'll say that did something. You want to give it some wax? Scoots is much better at breaking stuff than I am. Boom.
I mean, just go.
Maybe we should have cut the other side.
New plan. Cut the other side and hope for the best.
There we go.
Here.
All right, progress.
Strand free. Oh, look at me.
I might give it a couple whacks or whatever.
Damn.
Boom.
Got it.
Get out of here.
There we go. That's why this is a how-to channel. All right, here comes the new stuff.
That goes on there. This easily goes here.
Look at that. Another one of these segments.
Now we should flip this.
We should.
Yeah.
Damn.
Boom.
Since Coots is the muscle around here.
Oh, that was perfect. Why didn't we do that before? Here.
Damn.
Boom. I'm gonna line this thing up with the skeg.
Your skeg. Tap it in.
Just tap it in. So I do this. There. Where's the tool? Yeah. There we go.
Don't worry, they're my work slippers.
This thing.
Reassembled. You can tell it's tight when your face starts to vibrate. Gotta get the motor back on the mount.
Oh! One step.
We doing
closer.
it?
Lift up.
Got it. Yeah. Snug them down.
Ah! You see that thing just pop out?
No. Oh, that one?
Yeah.
My man don't like spiders.
Get out of here, buddy. I think I'm pretty much good.
It'd probably been easier to put the steering cable in first. You're up. Damn.
Boom. I think we're good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ah! Jesus. Come on, buddy. Get out of here. We got the deal hit key. Nice.
Awesome, we're back in business, baby.
All right, and that's how you do that. Super easy.
Barely an inconvenience.
Yeah.
Let's test it out. Gotta watch out, boy.
That tree preventing us quickly leaving. We have to take care of that one of these videos.
Don't have enough time to get to that today, but stay tuned and that should be our next adventure.
Oh, we're back.
Feeling good?
We're back, baby. Dude, it's smooth, man. Feels a lot like we're cutting through the water, which is weird. The steering seems more smooth, too. I like it, though.
Thank you.
One. Action.
Got that prop fixed, and now with our motor running again, we got a lot planned this year. Over there, we plan on doing an overnight camping trip. We got those branches to rip down at Mark's yard, and who knows what else. I don't know what else even to say at this point, literally.
The propeller's looking great. It works smooth as butter. So if you click on these videos, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for our next adventure.
And now I'm gonna push Mark into the
Bye.